So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in find and fix problems with Windows Update. Click on it, and now this will come up. You're gonna click on next. It's now gonna run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're gonna head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You know to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.